Hi guys, welcome back to FPL Weekly. This is our Game Week 14 preview. And today we'll directly go on to our captain picks and gamble picks. So first let's talk about the captain picks. So there are 3 captain picks: Salah, Son and Wilson for Game Week 14. So talking about Game Week 13, but KDB and Bruno were the top captain picks and they didn't get any points. So let's deep down into our Game Week 14 captain picks and hope they get the points for us. So the first captain pick is Mohamed Salah. He's playing against Crystal Palace and he looks likely to score a lot of goals because he's the best captain pick for Game Week 14 and he always finds a way to score FPL points. He has like 3 goals and an assist in his last 3 game weeks and is a safe option against Crystal Palace if you want to get consistent FPL points. The next pick is Son and he's playing against Leicester. So currently Son is the most selected player in FPL and whatever the opposition is, whatever the situation is, he's scoring the points consistently. And he is the perfect player actually in Mourinho's counter-attacking team and has 2 goals and 2 assists in his last 3 game weeks. And he will get you the points against Leicester as well. So the third pick is Wilson. So Callum Wilson is playing against Fulham in Game Week 14 and he has a goal and 2 assists in his last 3 game weeks. And he can be a great differential captain because I think he can get your points as he's also creating a lot of chances for Joelinton as well and is Newcastle's main attacking threat. So these 3 were the captain picks and we hope that these captains get you the points in Game Week 14 because Game Week 13 was pretty bad for a captain pick. So yeah, let's go on to our gamble picks for Game Week 14. So the first gamble is Richarlison. He's playing against Arsenal, so I think Richarlison against a bottom 6 team is a very interesting prospect to have in your team. He's getting his form back and also scored a goal against Leicester in Game Week 13 and is currently only owned by 4.3% of the teams. So he can be a great differential in Game Week 14. Another differential is Welbeck. So Danny Welbeck is playing against Sheffield and he's also in only 1.2% of the team and is another striker who can be a good 1 week punt. Playing against Sheffield United, he looks very lively this season and he tries to score goals and also is creating chances for his teammates as well as he has 2 assists already in this season. And the last pick is Giroud against West Ham. So Oliver Giroud has been starting the last 3 game weeks for Chelsea and has 2 goals as well in those 3 games. And he's still in less than 2% of the teams, and with Chelsea looking to get back to winning ways as they have lost their last 2 game weeks. So they will come all guns blazing against West Ham United and Giroud can be a great differential for Game Week 14. So yeah, that's about it and I hope you like our captain and gamble picks and if you do then keep watching and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.